On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save between 5 and 14% on your next Disney vacation. Hello friends! Walking down Main Street USA is getting more expensive, and there is a way that you can help cut the cost of your Disney vacation, and the key is to purchase gift cards before you go. Target is the easiest purchase, but while Kroger will give you the biggest bang for your buck. So let's get started. Target gift cards are the easiest to purchase. It is 5% off the purchase at checkout, but the only con is you must use your Target Red Card, and this is available every single day. You do not have to wait for some holiday. So if you go buy a $100 gift card, it would only cost you $95. So if you bought $1,000 gift cards, that's $950. Very simple, very easy. While Target is a max of 5%, if you purchase gift cards at Kroger, you have the opportunity to save up to 14%. And the only thing that you need is a Kroger card, which is free. You must ask at the desk. And it's very easy and very simple to use. But these savings are not instant. You are giving Kroger fuel points instead of a discount at checkout. And savings are taking on your gas purchases. And you have to use these points before they expire the following month. And the key is to wait until they have a 4 times event. So if you purchased a $250 gift card, that would be worth 1,000 points. So the key at Kroger is to make sure that they're offering the 4 times fuel points. They will offer this throughout the year on holidays and summer vacation times. It's just you have to be on the lookout for it, and especially if you know you're going to Disney, this is a great time to go to Kroger and buy those gift cards. And once you are able to get those gift cards and you have your points, then you're able to use them for your Kroger gas, and this will reduce your costs. So here's an example. So I had $1 worth of discounts because I had over 1,000 points. I used it at the Kroger gas pump, and you can see it's at $2.42. Well, on the sign it will say it is $3.42, so I got $1 off. This is a savings of $1 per gallon, and you can't beat that. So if you have a tank that can hold 35 gallons, that is $35 off of your fuel purchases. That is a 14% savings off your original $250 gift card. But most individuals will not have that type of vehicle size. So normally, my personal vehicle, I have a 15 to 16 gallon tank. So I am saving around 6 to 7%, which is better than the 5% at Target. But the key is you have to stay on top of it, because these Kroger fuel points will expire. So these are 2 ways that I do it when I'm going on a Disney trip. I know that I'm going, so why not take advantage of this opportunity? I do hope this video today will help you in your planning of your next Disney vacation. Please like and subscribe, and as always, God bless.